Like hi Baba. Don't share me, Bella. It reminds me of that boom in the toilet in Bloemfontein. You guys are asking me, I don't get a chance. Chance, this is an accomplishment for real. What happened? Nuba. EP. I need everybody to state their age. Flying mountain hiking. Yeah, first. Starting down here. I'm gonna go to that peak right there. I see it's chai. Yo, gonna have to jump a river. I'm not shooting. Oh. Look at the back. Y'all don't understand how real this feels right now, bro. I'm scared to hide that thing right now, bro. But if our older brothers and sisters did it, if our older brothers and sisters did it, bro, it's our turn, bro. We can do it too, bro. They came back alive. We'll also come back alive. This mountain is crazy, yo. Yo, face to face is crazy. They be walking for real, they be hiking, bro. We shopping a nice hike there. Yo, Enzo. Ow! Ow! Hey, this is bad. We're going to a river. Look at these niggas. Yo, I'm shaking right now. Yo, these jets are brave, yo.
Yeah, you can go there now.
Danam is crazy.
You can go there now. Where do you want to go?
I'll be walking for real, yo.
Gotcha.
That's how I go. We still here.
He didn't. I didn't hear that. Oh, I heard it.
Don't tell me this one is just.
My mom put it, guys. Relax, you.
Let me share juice. Cold water. Hey, this is the only water we have, chance.
Bro. If this water goes, it's chai, baba. You niggas don't understand. Wow. That's beautiful. In person, it's beautiful. I can't see on the camera because the sun is reflectionating on my eyes. We here. We still have to vibe up there, but at least we close, sir. We're not close, but we close, sir. That's the side. There was a river here. Apparently it dried out. Let me pause this video. No,
Don't go too down.
You won't come back up.
Oh, it's easy to come back up.
Let's go down.
Not like that. I can't believe this. I slipped on my
You know, from up there it looks scary. From down here, it's gonna chill, yo. Hey, bro, there's holes in this grass. What's up with that?
Take off your shoes and put it.
Hey, other frogs live down there or snakes. Or crabs.
Where is the crab?
I eat for part of the coaches. You see now?
Did you take a video?
I'm literally walking
Yeah.
past it. You slipped here. Yeah, I slipped here, boy.
Crazy. Bro's reliving the craziest moment of his life. Nah, this is beautiful, bro. Real life. Real life, this is beautiful, yo. I don't know if you guys can see that. If you guys can see the same, I'm seeing the same shite I'm seeing. There we fly. Flying up there. We here now. From far it looks crazy.
Okay, let's follow. Let's make a decision. Which route are we following? This side or that side?
Which one is safer? That's my check.
Guys, asking me which one is safe.
The one that looks less steep.
Let's go.
That's bullshit. That's crazy.
I think.
Good. Bro, I'm a be a tourist today. Hope you guys can peep. Yo, we came from far. Yo, our house is there. Up there. Already, you play? You play? Yeah. I bet. Sit down, boy. Hey, we still have a way to far. Yo.
Neo, don't leave us. Don't wait, class.
You good, guy?
Yeah, I'm good. Let's go now.
Hey, wait, no man. Hey.
Now it's the number. We can go now.
Not there.
I'm not going there.
There.
But when I go up there, Gala, yeah, go around.
It's crazy. Place is there.
I'm still here, nigga.
Yeah.
That's the thing. I'm still here.
Just to be really comfortable.
Bro. This is the stuff I see there. You know, I thought there was water here or some kind of cave. But really, it's just a pathway.
Look there, bro. It's still patches of water.
Yeah.
Now we would have been down because we're currently in the river.
Literally, we're standing in the water.
There's a dam. No, a dam is human made. Right?
Kinda.
Then a river is something that's slow.
Yeah. Yo, we ride through the way.
This is Sandonga. Do you see Sandonga?
Eh,
This is Sandonga.
What's that?
You don't know Sandonga?
the cracks. Like when you ride up there, you can see like the cracks and patches of the
I
mountain.
must be down then, boys. Oh, let's go. Wait, we're wasting time, bro.
Wait, I'm going through here.
Oh, I'm following you. I'm just kidding. Let's go up here.
You guys say this thing. You guys think this thing looks scary. On the camera, this thing looks small, but hey. Yo, where do we buy? We're about to be there. 5 musketeers. Ew, we won't come out there. Yeah. Let me put my stuff down, bro, before I die. Because of vlogging, imagine, yo. Now we in the arms of the mountain, bro. Not even playing. This the head, wow. Now we in the arms. That's the thing I said was a cave back there, bro. It's not a cave. It's there's a tree in the middle there. It's where Simba died, I remember. That's the place, but Simba died here. Was it Simba? I don't know. Yeah, it wasn't Simba, it was Simba's father, yeah.
Now we're going up.
And now we're climbing with our calves, with everything, man. Now,
Okay, you know the cut. Oh, you can't do that.
still have so up there. It was a travel, yo. It was an adventure. Check out my hands, bro.
Can you
Yeah.
Can you see home? Yeah, one last in there.
That's home, boys and girls. It was an adventure, yo. Wow.
Mina, I'm disappointed that I'm proud. How did we walk all this distance, Jens? There's sheep there.
Yeah, I thought we were gonna fly that way.
We come back in time to go herd the sheep.
Yo, we still have to fly up.
Oh, yeah, cool.
So I think we come back down sitting. We go down sitting. We don't know any other way to go down.
Yeah, we're gonna go down.
Yeah. What if you jump there? Then
Eh, putwa.
There's too much bush there, boy.
no, from here we just jump.
No.
Look at me.
We're not jumping for sh.
Look at me now. Let's continue. What time is it?
Hold up, let me peep. It's 17:34.
34. No, it's still that end. I thought it was 6.
Eh?
Let's go, Chance.
Came out of bed. What are two?
Have 5. Let's go, Chance.
Yo, our climbing today. Oh yeah. To be honest, I'm afraid of heights. And it's steep as yo.
Hey!
It won't trust. I'm a professional.
Look at your nails.
Good ass view, bro.
Oh, peep this view. We still have to vibe up.
Hey!
At least I got the
Yo,
Wait, corner.
now we climb, boys.
If you are,
And girl.
can you please send me
Videos. Okay.
Nothing's burning, but I'm
those? We just came from there.
No, we came from Fado. Yo.
Oh, when they come, so no turning back.
Yo, imagine if Amase came, guys. No,
See that?
no offense though, but
Butterfly.
yeah,
That's your luck.
Why did I dodge it?
that's a butterfly.
Hell, I should have done this.
Hey, bro, cars walk up here, dog.
There are not. This car cannot walk up in.
I just can't believe it.
Nah, I can't believe that.
When I go like this and come back, I'm gonna go down there. So
You're
we're
really scared of
gonna,
heights.
so when I land, we're just gonna see that.
Oh, let's go.
Wow.
No, you elevate.
Emzo,
Yeah, James, look. Then we go there. Then we follow the path past the river. Then after that we just.
It's very low. Are you taking
It
this?
looks far from here though. Looks like home is very far from here. Where's the gravesite?
Chance. All right. Yo,
Guys, I still cannot believe we are going up there.
woo.
Guys, I cannot do it. This guys. Yo. It reminds me of that boom in the toilet in Bloemfontein. Boom.
Go, James.
Yeah, it's flat from here. Ah, guys, please. Don't share me, Bella. Woo! You guys are resting me, I don't get a chance. We're almost there.
I'm glad it didn't exist during the 1980s, the 80s, bro, 1800s. Because there was no houses here, there was like those huts.
Yeah.
Yo.
And then the other one will be that side,
Yeah,
yeah.
there was no house out of
Yeah.
just be space. Then the wall would be like here. Yeah.
That's the road, I don't know.
There's the road. There.
Yo, Letizia! Letizia! The road is over there. The road is over there. Yeah, there's the road that side.
Merry Christmas.
On that side. Oh, on that side.
How, guys?
At last! Woo!
Emzo.
Leo, how do you rate this trip out of 10? No! We're almost at the top of the mountain. It's
Not even getting used. Thank you for a future boyfriend.
I have to film a freaking video me.
I ain't been getting used. Now she's got a boyfriend.
Next time, I'm staying back.
Hey, look, Leo, I've never climbed a mountain this high. Shoot, Mount, shoot. Shoot us. Are we still in Mountain Fair? Leo, are we still in Mountain Fair? It's scary, yeah. These mountains are called Mountain Fair. Ask him. Oh, yeah, it's still in.
What a freaking indeed.
Woo!
Bro,
When we are going to
Yo, we did this, guys.
Boy, you go like that.
Oh, we did this. Yo,
Hey, you see that red house?
How much is gonna keep relying on this thing?
Yeah, yeah.
now we did this.
With the phone.
Yo, we did this,
And they're
niggas.
gonna print the ones on the thing so it's have to take it.
Guys, don't finish there, please.
Because I actually want proof for my kids. I completely and I want them to post it there, but yo, but this is not no. This is not the family photo from 2017.
Guys, I feel like we must stretch again. Hey.
Yeah,
Let's do the sit down stretches, please. Yeah.
Yeah, do now do this. Let us show.
I've been feeling low.
Sit down. We're gonna do sit down stretches.
Just go lift it up. Go lift it up. Hey.
Yo, guys. Whoa, lenga.
I'm gonna press hard.
Yo.
Yo, I live.
Take it to
Say what's up.
Yo, what's up, bro?
I imagine.
Risky, this is
Now this is crazy.
yeah, bro. Up here, nigga.
You know, we looked at this mountain from there, boys, and we're like, hi, baba.
Shining this. And I'm like, alright.
Oh, down there, I wanted to quit. Yeah, down there, I'm not gonna lie to you. I wanted to give up.
And then I saw this picture.
If Lucky that didn't come here, we're not gonna.
We're not.
Not.
That nigga there. That nigga. Latita.
Bruh, that's a problem. But I have a card here.
Guys, at 7 we have to be home so that we can.
Stop, man.
Guys, let's stand up. It's time.
It's time to go back.
No. Let's go.
The bottles, I'm not carrying these.
Yeah, I'm kidding.
I need everybody to state their age.
Oh, yeah, I'm 16. You're turning 17 next year.
16.
11, turning 12 next year.
11, turning 12 next year.
14.
10 and 15.
Bravest nigga. How old are you?
9 years old, turning 10.
Yo,
Let's get it.
I'm 13, dog. 17 next year.
Guys. I'm 12 years.
Yo,
It was funny.
sit down, sit down, sit down.
I can hear them.
Do you hear the birds?
Yeah, that's beautiful. Be silent for a bit.
Mother Nature.
River.
No, guys, we climbed it for real.
Green pastures. It's gonna take a long time. Would you show the pictures for now?
Guys,
Yeah, show the pictures.
guys, I don't have the camera with me.
Let's go.
Someone please hold my hand. Yeah.
Now we're going to the top. Do you agree? Then do you agree? Do you agree? I agree. Do you agree?
Emzo, can you please take a
Do you
video?
agree?
Take a video.
But when you go up,
I'm so sorry.
Now, Enzo. We made it! I'm going up there now. Just had to stop. Yeah! Did it. Yeah. I'm afraid of heights. I'm afraid of heights. But I made it to the top of the mountain. See? That's that peak that you see. Can we ride down with the road? Oh. Okay. Okay.
Let's get it. Wait, let me go there.
Friends, this is an accomplishment for real, for real. It's here. This road here.
I can hear the cost too. There's a little. I can hear the cost. Yeah, I don't know.
Let's just take this one.
Wait, I'm going to.
No, we're not going. We're gonna go down. Yeah.
At least we made something out of something.
Yep. This was definitely worth it. I definitely wanted to go down.
Wait, are you gonna have to fix your fears? Are we going now?
Yep, niggas. Conquer your freaking fears. Flying down now.
Can you hold here?
Okay.
I can't be holding everything. Give it to someone.
I was brave enough to come here, but I'm scared. I'm never gonna come.
I wanna show people. Like,
Actually,
You have to be careful.
show them that we came from up there. Tell them that we came from
came from up there.
up there. Now we're going down.
Yo.
Guys, why are you crawling?
Isn't that just such a...
Yo, we just finished those bottles of water and we finished the mountain. And I don't know about these three. Sam. We are alive, guys. We are alive. Yes. Bro. There's home.
Hey, I wanna see how deep. How this rock breaks. Hey, boy. Yo.
Let me just throw your phone. We're gonna get it down there.
Look at how far. Look at how much, like, how high you are. Look. Yes, they can.
Me, I'm going down, guys.
Take a picture. What if it was from a dead
Bye,
body?
friend. Me, I'm sharing you now.
Yeah, my nail.
Amasha is not gonna believe this, ne?
Then after this nail is gonna show you how far. He's gonna throw a rock and show you guys how far
Yeah.
the mountain is in reality.
Yo.
Hey, bruh. Do your legs hurt yet?
Not really. I think when we get down there and rest, yeah.
Hey, my brother, come.
Hey, dog. Nah, look at him acting all confident, dog.
This one is a baby right now.
What you say?
Nick was. We thought he fainted.
You are right now.
What you say?
Yo, we thought he fainted, bruh.
You are now a baby.
Like
Don't be that serious. Eh?
We were taking care of you like.
hey,
Look at
How do you feel, bruh, so far?
Hey, bro, I feel like I accomplished something. You.
Hey.
Oh, James, look at this view, bruh.
If someone threatened
It's amazing.
is
It's beautiful,
immaculate,
bro.
yeah.
someone threatened me to push me.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Let me throw a rock.
Look at how down Neo is, bro.
And that's crazy. We're up there.
Neo, hit a peace sign for us. Emzo there. Yo, I don't know if you guys can see it there, but there's the sun. Yo, then there's the horizon. It's gonna go down there. So we have to be quick. Look, boys. Look, boys. Let me show you guys. Guys, yo, I'm telling you, bro. If you guys want a house, I'm telling you guys, one thing I must say is, like, what I've learned from this is not everything's impossible. Because rather not quit, because your end goal is actually gonna make you happy. Don't leave things halfway. Complete them. And one Bible scripture that you can follow is, you can do anything through Christ who strengthens you. So make sure, like, whatever you put your mind to, achieve. And if you live like me, you see, man, nigga. But gents, we're gonna catch you guys when we're like around there, right? With your main man, taking it nice and easy. You guys can see that, like, the sun is like, it's like calm, bro. It's calm. And it's like, when we came up here, I'm gonna be honest, gents, it was like, it was hot.
I'm telling you.
What happened?
A snake.
Ngoba.
Hey.
EP.
See?
I ping that.
I am.
This guy's lying.
Switch the video.
This guy's lying, bro. This nigger.
This nigger.
Yo, Chess, we actually need to hurry up. You might know we're going around there. So be careful.
There's the water. Hey, it's in
Gents, I'm telling you guys, we're gonna catch you when we're down there because we need to balance and everything, yeah. So, we out for now.
What time is it?
Take off here.
Eh?
What time is
We
it?
don't wanna go down here. We go down here. We completed this.
Nah, guys. Do you guys love the sunlight, bro?
like the sunset is crazy.
And you guys don't understand, bro. Like, in video, it looks nice. But if you're here, like,
Real life.
in person,
Life is crazy.
it's crazy, bro.
It's
like-
mental.
Crazy.
Bro, it feels artificial. It feels fake.
It feels fake, bro.
It's as if we're on a green screen. Boy, it's weird.
Ima, guys, now that I think about it, I think Emzo is like the youngest person to complete
Actually.
Yes.
this thing. Yo, Angela was crying.
Angel didn't complete this too. This is crazy.
Angel didn't.
Yeah, I didn't.
Angel didn't.
Yeah, Angel and Yang with Yang.
My sister, get up.
Holy mo! Yo, guys, I almost died.
Hey, let's take a video of your main man. Go down, boy.
Yeah,
I
come here, boy.
almost died, gents.
Now the content creator.
Content.
Cash content. Ah.
Dala music and jokes.
Yo, if you bought a speaker, bro. First
Yo,
people to
boy,
blast music
boy.
out here. Cash content. Ah.
Did this nigga sound the first person to say skibidi on that mountain?
Hey, this guy was the first person to say skibidi on the mountain, boy.
That's the first person to say.
Hi, bro.
I told yeah.
Nah, buddy.
Nigga.
Okay, gents. Let's lock.
Actually cool. Look behind you. It's like
Look, I can't even video that properly because I'm trying to balance. Can you guys see the fruit flies? Whatever they call.
We're taking videos.
I'm taking a video of me going down. Can you hold your? Ah, never mind. You're not gonna be able to down. You guys can see. Now let me zoom in on you real quick. See how we originally were. If I zoom in.
Here's why I said I thought the kid was.
Let's go. Imagine we do find a cave. Do you think there would be a cave out here? Now, where did you walk?
Yeah. Somewhere.
Hey, let's just walk, bruh. I'm gonna just walk down.
yes, yeah.
This was when we were like, hey, let's lock in.
Okay, once we reach there, we're solving.
Okay. Yo, can't believe we hiked on Christmas Day, bro. Mind you, it's the 25th of December, gents. When you're watching this, we filmed this on the 25th of December. December. And good Christmas. Mnanda, I forgot to say. What close? Puff. I'ma be honest, ne? For our family, ne? Goma Pegula, right? And just ngama Pegula, ngama Bhaca. Ngama Bhaca is a mix of Xhosa and Zulu, yabo. Mainly, but the closest is like, no, hold it. This thing's, I'm gonna use it at night. The closest like deep Xhosa, you feel me?
Yeah.
And like, hey, many of our family members used to live here, bruh. Like if you go, there's the house back there. Yo, you guys won't see it, ne? But back there, there's like a whole like gallery, not a gallery, but pictures of like family members from the 1800s.
Yeah.
I think from the 1830s or 1820s. You could see those guys, paintings of them and all that shit, bro. And our parents used to walk like long, like yo. They used to walk like long distances.
Like long. It's
When I
crazy.
tell you long, if you guys could
You
see,
see that? Cover that lion story. It's real.
yo boy.
Boy.
And our parents, bro, they also used to like. And I'm only wondering what schools the parents before them went to.
Yeah. Your nigga.
Like
Boy.
our grandmothers and great grandmothers.
Boy. I must have been crazy. Yeah.
Yo, James. And you know, our family's big, bruh.
Yo, our family goes far.
Yo, our family's big,
Yeah.
bro. And like, you know, the crazy part is, I'm gonna be honest, chat. Like, real It's not like we all just come all the time here. It's like special when we come here because people come from like Joburg, East London, PE, all that. And it's like really cool for the family to like link up and shit. Crazy story, ne? Today, they made us pray. Because actually today is our great grandmother's birthday. RIP to her.
Hey,
Shout out to Mom, bro.
Shout out to my Paco.
So, like,
Shout out my grandma, guys. My
Shout out.
grandma.
now what should I share the backstory for Mom?
Maybe.
I know, I'm gonna tell you like what I know, ne? So Mom basically, right? Mom came from Otosini, ne? And fun fact, my mother's also from Otosini. Huh? Yeah, what he said. Repeat? That's where she was originally from.
Check out the sunset.
Then I don't know.
No, her house was there.
Oh, her house was there. And then I don't know who he married. Lapha kwaMaphekula. Then they moved here. And then what that guy basically, yeah, that guy basically, right? He had 2 wives. One wife was Mom. The second wife, one wife was. The second wife was who's this Mastiff. Now the funny part is that the original wife was Umar, but Umar couldn't have a lot of kids. So the guy who was he? Whoever he is, or I'm gonna call him OG Mapegula. He wanted another wife to have many kids with. Then he had Umam. Mom was my great grandmother. Like also my great grandmother. Yeah. I don't know, man. You guys will link up the dots. But Mom had kids, which is she had like how many kids? 6 kids. Then those kids had those kids had many kids. I can't even count. I'm gonna be honest. I don't even want to name. Those ones kids are always popping up. And then those kids had us. Let me show you guys. I've been yapping the whole time, yeah. But yeah, that's basically the backstory of my family. We're gonna catch you guys when we've crossed the river or whatever.
You see the sun?
They're yapping out back here, boy. Well, technically you're ready. Yo, I don't wanna pass the graveside, the graveyard while it's still dark, boy. Yo. No! Yo, no, bruh. It's just too small. Yeah! Yo, boy, I'm running, dog.
For me, I am the special content here.
Chine. Now, do you wanna go down the thing? Then I film you. So you just gonna walk. So are you just gonna walk?
There's people up there.
Eh?
Guys, we actually came from up here there. Up there.
Accomplished.
I feel small when I'm here. I feel like small. Like
Guys,
Imagine
I
just we
underestimated this
walked.
mountain.
Me too, bro. Look, if I zoom in, I need to 7.8, 4.5 point something to see you guys to see it clearly top there, bro. I'm not gonna zoom in so I don't ruin it, guys. I want you guys to like immerse and like actually see the shit.
What time did we start walking up?
We started walking. And now, what time did you start coming here? What time did you come here? We left the house at 3:45 now.
What time is it there?
4:45.
We left the house at 4:45, and now it's
When we were there, it was
around 6. Yeah, it was 5:30. When did you see the green part there? It was around 5:30. And then now it's probably like 6 something. But hey, gents,
going down there.
I'ma be honest, ne?
Oh, the crabs!
Let me see, guys. Look, this river dried out.
Look, guys.
No, dog.
This river is more, yeah.
Yeah, see it. Where is it? I can't see with the camera. Okay. Camouflage. Look, it's actually camouflage with the camera. Hey, for the viewers, you're gonna have to put some.
Like a circle there.
Hey, are you gonna see it? Where is it now? On the grass.
That frog from yesterday.
Ew, is that doodle? Okay, gents.
Yeah, we walked there.
Gents. But let me, guys, this river, dog, used to be like.
There was a river here now.
Even here where we're sleeping right now. Like, now it's all dried out. Okay, let me film you. It is, but when it's going down, they look clean, but it's not. Yo, I'm telling you. One sip and you're dead. Let me also.
Let's take pictures down there.
Yeah, let me film. I'm gonna cut the camera, guys, and then we're gonna catch you later. You see, like probably up there and stuff. But yeah.
Yeah, man, I can't see it. Well, peep. I zoomed in. Hold up. Oh, better. Yeah, you hear now. It's probably dirty, like very dirty.
Oh, the pinch is the same.
Yeah, boy. It's no time to tweak, boy.
Hey, let's go, boss. Let's go, boy.
And lady and girl. Let me get this, yo.
It was actually fun.
Yeah, it was actually quite nice. It was nice, not quite nice. Imagine those children came, boy.
Wow!
Yeah.
The sky, dog.
This guy is crazy.
Cook sisters. Do you know what's cook sisters?
Yeah, I love those sweet things. I don't know whether I like those shit. That thing, it's too sweet for me.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
It looks like cook sisters.
It's something you eat, though.
It's
Check out this nigga. I'll show you how far we came. Wait, let's vibe back up there and then.
I'm gonna hit a time lapse for this.
Real.
Oh, bro's taking photos. Oh, no, this guy's filming me. What's so special? Like, oh, I know this guy.
It's graveyard. Our ancestors. Oh yeah, I'm sorry about the camera if it's a bit shaky. There's nothing I can do about it, gang. I'm walking on rocks here. You guys gonna have to bear with it. Take that. Damn. Yeah. I was like, here. Nah. What happened?
Do I need to wash my jeans when I get back home?
Let's see. Real. Ankara thought it was gonna be that terrifying. That was gonna be smooth sails all the way. Exactly. That's my church.
And then look now.
You see, once you're up there, and you see that final arm.
Yeah. No, but it was nice though. Can't lie. Yeah, this is the way I know. I'm here. I'm safe. That's where we came from, gents and ladies. You guys don't understand, bro. You guys don't understand. Camera looks small, man. Even from down here, it looks like you can just climb. Nice. Get up there. Unless you're braver than me, Fede. You brave. But I think I kind of got aware of some of the fear of heights. That's another thing. Heights terrify me. But hey, I conquered that shit.
Dear me, when you done?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is the grass. I wasn't so sure of. I was coming down. I was like, hey, it's grass. So make sure. Go back to the field. Durban shirt. You good, eh?
It's just not the time.
I just saw a dead pig. I'll do it again. I'm over my desk. It's horrible. Hey, you ever see me stop? I'm taking pictures. That's okay. Come on. It's about rain too. It's getting late. I was just Probably chat, and then sleep, and then go tomorrow. Yeah, this is my car. It's my home. I don't know bother you cheesy stuff. Just know, so my ancestors stayed.
Like all life, what you gonna say to them nights?
We home.
What you
After
gonna
here,
say
see
to
this
the
car?
movie stars? What you gonna say? I've been
That's
dying,
where we came from.
and I'm like all life. What
We
you
walked on
gonna
this
do
arm here,
with my
kinda
heart?
chick like that, and
What you
then up
gonna
like that.
play with my
Looks small, ne?
moonlight?
Eh, even metro is small. That's why I came in the first place.
And I'm like all life.
Yo,
What you gonna do with them nights?
Kaba was shaking.
What you gonna play with them
Hey, but we here.
moonlight?
Home sweet home.
With a new life, you wanna go with a chinchiriki, and I'm playing with the flow like I know you and me, and I'm playing let go like I'm on a wicked. I'ma take
This
you
Christmas
on
was nice.
I'ma take you on
See,
the
I told you,
floor like
Christmas.
you know a millimeter.
There's no snow
I'ma
here.
take you on the floor
It's like
like
this
a
rain.
chinchiriki.
It's
I'ma
hot,
take you like you know how to make it millimeter.
especially in the
Let
mountains.
go like a little me.
Yesterday it was raining.
Let
Today,
go like I know
it's just
you
hot
how to
for no reason.
on the
Eh,
floor
we
like
home,
a
gents.
nigga with me. I'ma flick you on the pole like
Ah,
a sissy nigga too. I'ma
Came from
you
there.
down like I know how to be, and I know
Yeah, we
where
came
to
from
go,
far, yeah.
but I know you order me.
I came from far, bro.
I know you order me. I know you order me. Chin, chin, a chinchiriki. You wanna go on the floor like a chinchiriki. I'ma on the floor like I know you little me. I'ma make you on the floor like a chinchiriki.
Imagine if we walked around, like around, gameplay down here.
Like
Yeah.
you wanna little me.
I would have taken time. Maybe next time, I don't know. If we're feeling that dairy again. Go up this way, walk, come down that way. Hey, but it's crazy, eh? It's gonna take a lot of money for me to do that. A lot of likes to do that. Not even money, bro. I don't care about the money. Likes. Need to know. I wanna see that. I'm not gonna risk my life for 2 views. I'll be back. Here we are, home.